What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay you guys, we are over here by the purses. I just wanted to take a quick look over here to see what might be new and on clearance. We have a lot of new summer earrings and most of them are beaded and $5.92. All of them are $5.92. We have tassels. And then we have, they're really heavy. They feel so nice, you guys. We have the necklaces with the extenders for $7.92. We have all different colors. We have a multicolor one down there, white, gold. These are so pretty. These are $6.92. The little bracelet sets. A lot of the bracelet sets are already sold out here in my store. Oh, here's the little multicolor necklace. We have lots of bags. I guess these are back in now. I have some of these. I used to love this one. I had one that was sort of this color and one that was black. I actually still have them somewhere in my closet. And I used to love these bags so much. Wow, these are cute, very summery. Summery and cute. Speaking of summery and cute, we have tie-dye and even more tassel bags. I think these are new as well. $22.96, light blue. We have beige. I was talking to these two women in Victoria's Secret while I was waiting in line, and one had a bright pink bag and it was from Target. The other one had the exact same bag. It was also from Target and it was like this peachy neon orange, but it was like more peachy than anything and it was so cute. I really wanted to try to get to Target today, but I totally ran out of time. You guys, we have even more jewelry over here and the category is tie-dye. And then down here, this is modern Nomad. So a lot of them feel very soft and like almost like the purses we just saw. I really like those. Those are $5.92. We have beaded ones. We have the choker sets. We have the bracelet sets. Those are $5.92. Everything down here on this bottom half is actually $5.92. Now the tie-dye prices are also just $5.92. Everything is $5.92. The earrings, the bracelets, the chokers, the super cute necklaces. Oh my gosh, you guys. You know I love these colors. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Love. These are really cute. I might have to get one. I might have to do it. I really like that. Ooh, I like this one too. Look at this. I love that. I love how that looks. Ooh, and then we have the white. Oh, and this one like holds the other one. Hopefully that's how it's supposed to be. I don't think that's how that one is supposed to be. It's actually supposed to be a butterfly. That is so cute for $5.92. Wow. Even more bags on the end cap. Those are $24.88. And then over here we have new hair accessories. They're calling this theme tropical. So we have lots of prints. The colors aren't as bright as I was expecting. Little scrunchies, these are $6.88. I love the clips. The hair clips are so cute. Ooh. Dollar Tree's been having a lot of these lately. Look at this one, it's like an abalone almost. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this. This looks really upscale. These definitely look like they cost more than $4.88. These are so cute, you guys. So cute. $4.88. Love these. This is also $4.88. Wow. These are really nice. The headbands, the skinny headbands, those are $4.88. All the hats, of course. All the hats. We have a lot of like boho vibes going on this summer. You know, we have tie-dye, and then we have a lot of boho. We have tropical. We have some brand new scrunchies over here, you guys. This is like a fishnet. We have pastels, some darker colors, some really, really bright colors. These are $8.88. Then we have tons of bandanas. And a lot of the face masks are on clearance. I've been seeing 5 packs of face masks for $5, down from $9.97. They're throughout the store. These are all new as well. We have modern Nomad. This is a really, really cute display of sunglasses. It comes with a 30-inch chain. These are $12.97. Whoa, so this is like a really, really long, okay, maybe not really, really long, but these are pretty long. Like a cute little decorative chain for your sunglasses. I'm kind of loving these, actually. I've never done the glasses on a chain sort of vibe, but I'm kind of feeling this. I would have to get one of these to see if I liked it on me. Ooh, these are so cute. Look at this. The leather leaves. Yeah, I'm kind of feeling this. These are super cute. Wow, $12.97 for these. What else do we have? Walmart, what else do you have for me? Maybe they snuck some new sandals in. I think these are new since last time I was here. These are cute for $3.97. The tie-dye slides for $7.98. All of the foam Birkenstock dupes. The white Crocs have been so popular. It's really rare that you can ever find them in stock. In my opinion, they're super wide this year though. These are brand new, sort of like a Tiva dupe. We also have them in black. We have these super cute colors down here. We also have them in animal print. I'm finding lots of cute stuff. I wonder if we have any more new shoes. We have a lot of shoes that are sold out already. Like, I'm seeing a lot of gaps already. The Avias for $14.88. These are all on clearance. $2 hats. $2.50 visors. And they're pastel. Oh, this is the hidden ponytail. You can just stick your ponytail out the back. Those were normally $7.97. And we're also starting to see even more sales on winter boots. I was in Family Dollar today and all of their winter boots were $1 on hidden clearance. We also have face masks over here. $1 for a 2-pack. Except they don't have the nose crimper. Well, I think that's it for me. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start yet another video here in Walmart and show even more deals with you guys. Wow, this area is like so nicely stocked. One more cute thing before I go. Look at these colors. Gummy, glittery, so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, I want a pair. Anyways, you guys, I'm out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.